there was a king. He had 3 ministers in his court. One day the king called his 3 ministers and gave empty bags to each of them. Then the king ordered, "Go to the jungle, fill this bag with various collected fruits, and then come back to me. I will see who can return earlier as possible with full bag." The ministers then went out to the jungle. One of the ministers thought, "It is a royal order. The king will eat those fruits. I must do my duty sincerely." So he filled his empty bag with various fresh and ripe fruits. Another minister thought, "The king will not taste all the fruits. I will first put bad fruits at the bottom of the bag, or whatever I may collect from nearby area, and then I will put some fresh fruits on the top." Thus he filled his bag with many rotten fruits and some fresh fruits. The other minister thought, "The king has no time to check the bag at all. He will just see whether my bag is full or empty." So the minister filled his bag with straw and leaves of trees. All the ministers then returned to the court as early as possible. The king was also very happy to see their bags packed up. But he did not check any of their bags and left the court for a while. The third minister thought himself very intelligent. He thought he was successful. The second minister was also pleasant in mind. He thought he could successfully deceive the king. But after a while, the king again returned to the court and ordered to imprison the 3 ministers in separate chambers. The king announced, "During their imprisonment, the ministers will not be provided any meal. Rather, they have to live on their foods they have collected from the jungle." The first minister could easily spend all his captive days eating sweet and fresh food of his bag he had collected from the jungle. The second minister could live first 2 days eating some fresh fruits and then got sick eating the rotten ones. And the third minister died in lack of food. Dear friends, we also face many examinations in our career. Most of us like to adopt shortcut method to pass the exam. We have no interest to complete all our activities thoroughly and sincerely. Sometimes we pass the exam and do good result through shortcut method, but we are not still prepared to take all the challenges in life. We often stumble in our professional career and in every step of our real life. In spite of having a good mark sheet, we are bound to fall in a condition like the ministers of my story. Dear friends, we everyone know that there is no better way to achieve success in life than doing hard work and thorough practice. We need to learn everything and prepare ourselves for any challenges. We must be loyal and sincere to our duty. Otherwise, we may pass the preliminary test, but we will surely fail in the final test of our lives. Thank you. If you like this story, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for such a life-changing video. Stay with us.